Hello and welcome back to AIQrArt 101. And in this video, we will be talking about the new features we have added to the QR creation. This is where you can make unlimited black and white, plain and simple QR codes for your company or anything you need to use a QR code for. You can use this as many times as you like, and it is completely free, and you can download them straight to your desktop or phone or whatever device you are using. So to start with, you will either choose to customize or upload a QR code. But to upload a QR code would mean you want to take it straight to AIQrArt Creator, which will then let you customize your art. So here we will just customize a QR, which will then give us the option of what type we want. We can either choose URL or plain text. Plain text will just send a message of whatever you type in to the person, and the URL, you can add whatever URL you like. We will use the website for this demonstration. You can then choose what clarity you like. This will change everything, the amount of dots and complexity of the picture. So if we put it too high, you can now see there is a lot more going on. And if we put it to low, there is not much detail there. So for this video, we'll just put it on white. And then the new features we have for this, you can now choose what shape you would like your AI's QR art to look like. So here we can change the corners to either squares, dots, or extra rounded, which gives it sort of like an app logo from your phone. You can also change the dot options, which will change each individual pixel shape. So we have rounded, square, extra rounded, or even classy and classy rounded, which all give different unique looks, which will make your QR art stand out from the rest. And then lastly, we have the corner dots, which will allow you to either change the dots in each corner box to either square or dots. So for this video, we will generate it to look like this. And then you can either press download, or you can press use this QR code, which will then take you to the AIQrArt Artistic, where you can then change your model to look even better and have the best image behind it. That is everything for this video. Thank you for listening, and we will see you again in the next one. Goodbye.